That's good.
Light? Okay.
Natalie, you gotta breathe. Listen to me. Slow it down.
Slow it down, honey. Slow it down. Slow it down. You're okay. 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 Slow that down for me. Slow that down for me. There you go. You're okay.
Excellent.
That's it. That's it.
Just listen to your body. That's good. Excellent. Excellent.
I think the head's out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Excellent job.
Give a push now.
Big push. Oh, that hurt.
Yeah. I think I see your ear. No.
It's not right now.
Yeah. Shit. Yeah, it's not. Belly.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Excellent.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I hear breathing.
Yeah, I hear it.
Oh.
Just a little peanut.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What time?
10:03.
10:03.
Oh.
Good.
Way to do it.
Good.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
Get it.
Okay, just watch your signs of bleeding.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
There you
Oh my god.
Do we know what it is?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Are we 100%? Okay, fair enough.
Double checking because I would too.
Hey, congratulations, Natalie.
Excellent.
Everybody got here.
And I can still clean my house.
I caught it as she was coming out. I want to go back and see the picture.
Excellent. I can't wait to see those pictures. Oh, that's so beautiful. What a fabulous birth, Natalie.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, wait, don't clamp it yet. Not to the... yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, Nathan.
Baby, I'm sorry.
It's okay, he's fine. I kind of bumped him with the camera by accident.
Pressing the cord, Mary?
Yeah, I will.
Can you hold him for a minute, John?
Still pulsing. Yeah, see Daddy. Great job.
Oh, what a beautiful little face. Oh, that's so beautiful.
She's so tiny.
She is tiny.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh, sorry. I won't call you tiny.
She's just a teeny little peanut.
Oh.
She's like, that was a lot of work, Mom.
Oh my gosh, she came really fast.
Oh my
Yeah.
Did you expect any different?
You're power birthing.
You are.
Go ahead.
Your body knows what it's doing. It's not the first time.
Pulsating?
Okay, cord
I got the water birth too.
And you got your water birth.
Just in time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't apologize.
Who wants to cut the cutting? Dad?
No, Dad.
You want Daddy too?
Yeah, I want Dad.
I can take Nathan. Give him to me.
Yeah, go
Dad
ahead.
cuts the cord.
Splashing water. Okay? You can just cut
Where?
in between. You're going to cut right in there.
Right in there?
Yeah.
I don't want to
I'm
get...
just going to put my hands up.
There you
Yeah,
are.
again.
Feels funny,
There you
eh?
go. Yeah.
Oh, baby. Oh.
It's like it's really...
This can just sit on. Yep.
Oh. Got the tub ready. At least you came.
You did it.
We did
I'm
it.
glad you got it ready.
Yeah, me too. Oh.
Teamwork.
You did a great job.
Want to smile, Daddy?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. I'm videotaping.
Oh.
Let us know if you feel cramped.
Nope.
Probably a little good.
I don't know if I could.
We don't see any evidence of that.
You did.
Did we see a
got the
time?
birth tub.
No.
My watch says
You guys,
22:05.
so
You got
fast.
22. That's what I thought.
Yeah, I
The drive-by midwife delivery.
You call you the dry fly midwife delivery.
So, I really don't want to have you have the placenta in this water.
Okay, we'll get you out.
Oh.
So what I